Soy sauce braised chicken wings. Let's make it. 2.2 pounds chicken wings. Season with black pepper and paprika. Mix well. Set aside. Heat the cooking oil. Sear the wings until brown on both sides. Add garlic. Sauté for 30 seconds. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. 2 tablespoons of honey. A pinch of chicken powder seasoning. 1/4 cup of water. Mix well. Simmer over low heat until sauce reduced. Stir occasionally. Continue cooking until sauce thickens. Uncover. A little bit of sesame oil, optional. Mix well. Done. Bon appetit. Wow, delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.